I play basketball every Saturday. Dogs like to sleep a lot. He plays football every Sunday. She is playing the piano now. We are watching a movie tonight. What's happening now? They are dancing now. He finished his homework yesterday. They visited the zoo last week. What did you do last summer? I went swimming. I traveled to England. I am going to read a book tomorrow. She will visit her grandma next month. What will the weather be like tomorrow? It will be windy. It will be sunny. What are you going to do later? I am going to do homework. I am going to work.